Linux on Windows? First is WSL. WSL is a feature of Microsoft Windows that allows users to run a Linux environment within Windows without having to use a VM. I will be producing a simple video at a later date for the installation. By typing WSL into the command prompt, it will take you into the Linux environment. I am showing some of the standard commands, such as ls, pwd, and cd to move between directories. As you can see on the bottom left, there is a separate system installed called Linux, based on Ubuntu. To confirm the Linux environment, I issue the cat etc os release command and it shows jammy jellyfish. Second comes VirtualBox. I have installed two flavors of Linux within VirtualBox, which are able to run perfectly on Windows. I will of course create videos on how to install Linux distros onto VirtualBox, but for now, I am just showing you how effective it is to run Linux on Windows. I've started up both Kali Linux and Ubuntu virtual machines. This is such a cool feature of VirtualBox. Once they have both started up, you are able to operate them as an actual separate computer within Windows. Here we are, you can see Kali Linux has now started up perfectly and we can carry out ethical hacking. I am able to begin using the command line and all the apps that come with Kali. Now we can see on the same Windows machine, we have a second Linux virtual machine running called Ubuntu. This is one of Linux's main desktop environments and it is completely free to install. This is how cool VirtualBox is, as you can test out a brand new OS within Windows, without affecting the Windows file system. Last, we have USB flash drives. If you are looking to move around with your operating system, a USB flash drive is best. You will have to configure the BIOS of your laptop to boot first from a USB disk and you will be good to go. Every laptop vendor will allow this. You will need a USB flash drive, 64 gig is more than enough. You will need to configure something called persistence, so you can save everything on your USB. But you can just boot from this menu. You now have a fully functional Linux distro, and when you are finished, you can travel anywhere in the world, plug in your USB, and you can just carry on with a different laptop. Thank you for watching today. This is just a simple introduction to how Linux can be used 3 different ways, without affecting your Windows environment. Share, like and subscribe to our channel if you like this video. Thanks, and see you again soon.